37.054 plus 9.785. So best thing to do is to rewrite that and give yourself plenty of room by spreading out the digits. So I'll do that, 37.054. Now when you write the second number, the key here really is to line up the decimal point. So let's put the decimal point in first, and then these digits, 785, and then this digit 9. And now we're sure that our decimal points are all lined up and all the other place values are all in the correct place. Okay. We are ready to, what are we doing? We're adding. Okay. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 8 is 13. So we put the 3 down the bottom and we carry the 1 to the very next column on the left. 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. We're up to the decimal points, we just put it in. So that's simple. And then 7 plus 9 is 16. So what happens? The 1's digit stays down the bottom, and the 10's digit goes to the very next place value. And so it's 1 plus 3 is 4, and that is the final solution.